Hello, everyone. Today, I'm thrilled to show you something truly incredible. How I transform a pile of ordinary, often overlooked screwdriver bits and some scrap metal into a collection of powerful custom-made tools. I'm taking one of these standard screwdriver bits. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'll secure it firmly in my bench vise. I used a pen to mark the positions in preparation for cutting. Now, I'm using an angle grinder to meticulously trim the tip of the screw. This precision is crucial because it will allow this simple screw bit to become an effective tool. Next, I'm taking a piece of metal and using a cylindrical object to trace a perfect circle onto its surface. I'll carefully cut out this metal disc. Once I have the disc, I use a ruler and a marker to divide it into 4 equal quadrants, essentially marking the center and 2 points. I then drill a central hole through the disc. Next, I drew 2 more small holes with a drill, one at the end of each marked line. I'll thread the bolt through the center hole and secure it tightly with a nut. With the bolt in place, I again use the angle grinder to carefully shape the edges of the disc. I'm aiming for a multi-pronged. This will be an innovative tool with multiple functions later on. Let's put some of these modified bits to the test. First, I'm inserting a regular drill bit into my power drill to show you how it spins normally. I'm going to sharpen it. Let's see how easily it sharpens on the angle grinder disc. I'll also demonstrate with a longer pointed metal rod, showing the potential for various piercing applications. With the sharpened metal rod, I heat the tip of the rod intensely with a blowtorch until it glows red hot. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Returning to the prepared disc, I now clamped it securely in the vise. I'm using a welding rod to join the individual sections, creating a robust, unified piece. This step ensures the tool's durability and integrity when it's under stress. After welding each point, I use a hammer to chip away the slag, revealing the clean welds beneath. Then, I give it a good brush to remove any remaining debris. Finally, I use the angle grinder to smooth out the welded areas and sharpen the edges, ensuring it's perfectly balanced and ready for its intended purpose. Now for our next creation. I've prepared a rectangular metal block and used a marker to outline a precise shape on its surface. I secure the block in the vise and carefully use the angle grinder to cut and shape it, transforming it into a sharp, pointed blade. This requires a steady hand and multiple passes to get the perfect angle and sharpness. After achieving the rough shape, I marked it with a pen and moved on to a finer grinding disc to polish the blade, giving it a shiny finish and an extremely sharp edge. This attention to detail makes a difference in its performance. With our newly sharpened wedge blade, I'm inserting it into the power drill. Now, watch what happens when I apply it to this plastic pipe. The blade cuts through with remarkable ease, creating a clean, perfectly circular hole. This custom tool is fantastic for making openings in various materials, demonstrating its efficiency and precision. Finally, I'm attaching it back into the drill. I pressed the rotating tool against the surface, and as if by magic, it easily cut through the wood. This ingenious tool proved incredibly effective at cutting a smooth and strong circle. And there you have it. From simple workshop scraps, we've crafted an array of incredibly functional tools. We transformed ordinary bits into a powerful plastic melter, a precise drilling blade, and a round hole cutter. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.